Well, yesterday, a new charge was added to the long list of charges that former president faces in front of federal court. The latest charge on seeking to prevent security footage from being reviewed. He's already pled not guilty to 37 counts back in June. But as more charges are found, what could it mean for the former president as the time before the 2024 election draws ever nearer? Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman to discuss more. Hey, Rick.
Hey guys, people may be losing track of all these charges, but just to give you an idea what this latest addition to the case is, so the prosecutors in this federal case, the documents case as it's known, are now saying that after the Justice Department subpoenaed security footage from Mar-a-Lago, Trump instructed some of his workers there to destroy the footage right after prosecutors asked for it. So I mean, that seems like a casebook example, allegedly, of obstructing justice and destroying evidence. And a lot of commentators are pointing out that, as in many other cases, sometimes it's not as much the original crime as it is the cover-up. And that's what the prosecutors are alleging here with these new charges. There's more to come for Trump, we think. So this is the existing documents case. It does look as if the federal prosecutors are also going to indict Trump for various things related to the January 6/21 uprising at the Capitol. And then there are likely charges in Georgia from the Fulton County prosecutor there over election fraud. So Trump at this point is facing the most dire legal challenges of his life and career. And of course, this comes as he's trying to get elected president again.
Yeah, we're going to continue to monitor that. Rick, you're also monitoring the state of Biden's campaign, especially now that a federal judge has rejected Hunter Biden's plea deal on tax evasion charges. What do we need to know there?
Well, I'm not so worried about Hunter Biden. I'm following all the economics developments. And Biden at the moment is looking like one of the luckiest presidents ever in terms of the economy. I mean, for more than a year, we've had all these predictions of a recession. It keeps not happening. And, the U.S. economy for the moment is remarkably resilient. Just looking at the news we got this week, the economy is growing faster than expected. We got higher GDP numbers for the first quarter, which led a lot of economists to upgrade their forecasts for economic growth for the rest of the year. Inflation is receding. Look what's happening with the terrific stock market rally. And importantly, this week, for the first time in a while, we've seen a meaningful boost in consumer confidence. One of the oddities of this economy is that as strong as the labor market has been and other things, consumers have been very gloomy, and that's because of inflation mostly. But they're starting to feel better. So the next thing to watch is whether that will translate into an improvement in Biden's approval rating, which is pretty low at around 40%. He needs to get that up closer to 50% to feel really comfortable about his reelection odds. But the way it might start is seeing consumer confidence improve, and it is.
And the way it might end is where things are on November of 2024. We all do know how people typically go to the polls with how they're feeling at that point in time. Rick, thanks so much for joining us to help break all of these things down in the political sphere and how that could play out even going into the general election. Appreciate it.